Shoutout guys. Practice tayo na mag-drive ngayon. Solo tayo. Pinahiram tayo ng kapatid. So magre-refresh tayo ng mga ano natin. So ilang taon na kasi tayo hindi nakapag-drive. 2011 po ata ako uling umawak ng manubilang bilog. Lahat na ng manubilang hinawakan ko ay pa-straight na. Kumbaga motor lang po ang hawak natin. So ngayon po practice tayo mag-drive ng sasakyan. Manubilang bilog naman. Practice natin. Pinayagan tayo ng kapatid mag-drive, mag-practice. Yan po. Ayan po si sis, nagdadrive po, nagpa-practice with the wheat. Ayan, drive na tayo. Let's practice tayo. Ako pa sa banti lang po muna. Huwag tayong lumabas sa highway dahil hindi natin kubisado. Atas po tayo. Hindi nakakabisado na po natin. Pagbitaw ng clutch. Bante na naman po tayo.
But baby, it's cold outside. But baby, it's cold outside. Been hoping that you drop me off. I'll hold your hands, they're just like ice. Beautiful, what's your listen to the fireplace whisper. Beautiful, please don't cry. Put the records on while I baby, it's bad out there. No cabs to be had out there. Your eyes are like starlight.
Kas.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks swell. My makeup moving closer. What's the sense of hurting my pride? Baby, don't pull out. Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. How lucky that you found me. Look out the window at the storm. Gosh, your lips look delicious. The waves of up at the shore. Gosh, your lips are delicious. Never such a beautiful. Baby, you're
Guys, maraming salamat sa panonood.